Hello guys, today we're going to learn about Node.js and we're going to build a small web application using Node.js, Express, Mongoose and MongoDB. So to do that, go ahead and open your VS Code and CD into anywhere in your machine. So for me, let me open an empty folder. There is one that I just created in the desktop. You can create and name it using any name that you like. So for mine, I named it Node.js. So go ahead and open it in your VS Code. Okay, as you can see, the folder is empty. And let's open our terminal. Okay, give it a few seconds. So as you can see, the folder is inside our desktop. Okay, so now that we have our folder open in the VS Code, we need to initialize a package.json file. This file is going to be used to uh, uh, keep track of all the versions of packages that we're going to be using in our application. For example, our app is going to be using Express, MongoDB, Body Parser, NodeMon, and Mongoose. So that file is gonna be listing all those packages. So to initialize this file, just double check that you have your node installed using node-v and make sure you have a node installed in your system. So for mine, the current version is version 18. Okay, so to initialize the file, go ahead and run npm init, and you can use the y flag. And and like I said, this file will assist other developers or other users. Let's say you have already deployed your application, maybe it's in GitHub. So whenever someone needs to maybe run the application locally, they can just clone the app and then run npm install. So what that will do is going to look inside uh, the, the package.json file and check a list of all the dependencies that the application is using, and then install it in that system. So let's give it a few seconds to finish initializing the file. It shouldn't take that long, just a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, there's this new file inside our folder. It's called package.json, and if you open the file, it has the name, which is the name of the application, and the version. The description is empty because you remember we use uh, the -y. So this is gonna just leave out this description as empty. The keywords, author, and the license too. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. So first is to install the packages that we're going to be using, and for application, we're gonna be using NodeMon. So use the npm I and then dash save to save this as a dependencies of the application, and then add NodeMon, Express, Mongoose, and I think we can install the rest later on. So I think we just need these three right now, and then click enter. So let's give it a few seconds. So as the application installs the packages, there's gonna be a new field inside the package.json with a list of the dependencies of the application. So just okay. So right now you see there's this node modules. This is where all the packages are going to be installed in our application. So every time you install a new package, is going to be installed inside this node module folder. And then the package.json, as you can see, has a new field with the name dependencies. And the one that we just installed is Express, which is version 4.18.2, Mongoose, and more.